G'day guys, welcome to Kap Industries. My name's Russell and this is the video installation guide for a Kap Industries fire extinguisher mount and fire extinguisher into a Kia Tasman. Now, love them or hate them, having a fire extinguisher is just smart. So let's go and install it into this vehicle. The process to install is really easy and you only need simple tools. The first one being a 14mm socket and ratchet and a couple of 8mm spanners. Now, I'm going to be installing this one here. This is a 1 kilogram metal caged fire extinguisher and it has a hose. Always please ensure that you are mounting a metal caged extinguisher. You can get them from various places. A lot of online retailers sell them, but this one here is a really good one because it has the metal cage. Do not use plastic ones. They belong in the kitchen. Start by using your 14mm socket to remove the front seat bolts. After removing the two front seat bolts, then you just need to loosen the rear bolts about 2 or 3 millimeters. That gives it the ability to be able to pivot up. Next stage is to attach the extinguisher cage onto the bracket. Now, as you can see, the bracket comes with these M5 high tensile nuts, bolts and washers, and you use those to install the extinguisher cage. And tighten them up with your 8mm spanners. After you've installed the extinguisher cage onto the bracket, then you just lift the seat up like that and slip it under. Place it back down and put the bolts back in. And then tighten them all the way down. Then install the extinguisher into its cage. And then at the end, don't forget to tighten the back bolts up again. Job done. As you can see, the seat can still move over the top. Just be careful of jamming your finger on the extinguisher. You can get a bit close, so just make sure you lift it all the way up and then over the top. But that's with our 1 kilogram extinguisher. Well, thank you so much for watching our little video installation guide. As you can see, the fire extinguisher now is safely installed. It looks great, doesn't take up any valuable space, and it doesn't stop the seat from moving backwards and forwards. Now, what happens if you do need to use that fire extinguisher because there's been an emergency? You simply reach over, unclip it, and grab it by the head and pull it out. Now you've got your fire extinguisher in your hand within 2 seconds. So let's say that there is a small fire somewhere, so that fire isn't growing and growing. Now you're able to grab the fire extinguisher out and put it out before it gets massive. That's the whole purpose of our small fire extinguishers, being able to be reached really easily. They're in your hand within 2 seconds. So thank you so much. If you'd like to grab one from the link below, or also check out the website. We've got lots and lots of other brackets and they're all available right here being made in Australia. Thank you so much.